Hi friends, welcome to our art project. Today we're continuing on with our theme, dinosaurs, yay! Today we're going to be making this cool dinosaur using our hand and a few triangle shapes that we're going to cut out with paper. For today's art project supplies, you're going to need a piece of paper. You're going to need to cut out 3 triangles out of any color paper you want, as well as 2 little eyes and a little smiley face for our dinosaur's mouth. You're going to begin with painting your hand with some paint. You're only going to paint your thumb to your pinky on your palm. And you're going to put it down on the paper as such, and you'll get a dinosaur body like this. Next, you're going to get those triangles you had cut out already, and you're going to place them on his back. And you're going to get your 2 little eyes you cut out earlier, your 2 circles, put them on for his eyes and a little smiley face. And then you're going to get a pen and you're going to draw on his little legs. And your dinosaur project will look something like this. Isn't that awesome? Alrighty, friends, I'll see you back for our other art projects. Make sure to show me your projects when you're completed. Bye.